Hi there, today I'm going to show you how to assemble your alto saxophone. The very first thing you are always going to do is take the neck strap out of the case and put it on right away. Next, take your reed and soak it in a glass of water. You want this to soak for about 3 to 4 minutes. Make sure the entire reed is getting wet, that way you get a good seal on the mouthpiece. Next, take out the neck and the mouthpiece. Make sure that this neck cork has been greased. Use cork grease, apply a light layer all around the cork. You can use your fingers to rub it in a little bit. Next, take your mouthpiece and very, very gently twist it on to the neck cork. Again, keyword gently. If you find that this is difficult, you need more cork grease. As you're twisting the mouthpiece on, be very careful with this key here. A lot of people will grab that and then bend it as they're putting the mouthpiece on the cork, and then this causes a leak right here and you can't get any low notes out. So be very, very careful anytime you're dealing with this part of the neck. Next, hopefully your reed has been soaking for about 3 minutes. You're gonna take your ligature. There are several kinds. This kind, the screw will go on the side opposite the hole in the mouthpiece. If you have the metal kind with the two screws will be on the side facing you, on this side here. But either way, no matter which one you use, the screw that you use to tighten the ligature is going to be on the right side where your right hand is. So if you're confused, just double check. All ligatures are right-handed. Make sure that's true for the way you position yours on your mouthpiece. Now take that reed. You're going to lift the ligature up ever so slightly to allow room to slide the reed down underneath. The flat side of the reed is going to go against the flat side of the mouthpiece. You're going to put it through the ligature butt end first. What I'm doing right now is loosening the ligature so I have some more room to slide it underneath. I'm gently sliding this reed down. I'm not touching the tip of the reed. That's a really easy way to break it. I'm using my thumbs to adjust the position of the reed. Use your thumbs to center it side to side and up and down. Don't touch the tip, that will crack it. Everyone's a little bit different. You want to look for a sliver of black right at the top of the reed so you can see a little bit of the mouthpiece still sticking out. This is about where I like mine to be. Once you have your reed in position, slide that ligature back down and tighten it just until finger tight with that screw. Again, no matter what kind you have, it's always going to be on the side of your right hand. Don't over tighten here. It's easy to choke the reed. It's really not good for the reed, and it's also not good for your sound. Now that that's done, you're going to take the body of the saxophone out of the case. The two places to hold it are the loop for the neck strap, the neck ring here, and then the bell. So you're holding at the bell and at the neck strap ring. Right away, you're going to connect the neck strap to the saxophone through that neck strap ring. This plug right here, just take it out. But make sure when you're done practicing that you still have this around, that way you can put it back in. Now you take the neck, you very gently twist it on. This screw here, you're going to tighten that, but make sure not to over tighten the screw. Just enough so that the neck is secure in the body of the saxophone. And finally, adjust everything to a good playing position. Don't let the saxophone bully you into sitting all weird. Make sure you have good posture. Adjust the neck strap. Adjust the angle of the mouthpiece, the angle of the neck. Adjust everything until it's a natural fit for you. Have fun.